In the bowl of your mixer, you're just going to dump the entire contents of the cookie base mix package. Then you're just going to add a cup, which is 2 sticks of soft butter. Then just dump 2 eggs that are preferably room temperature right in there. You need just a splash, a teaspoon or so of vanilla. Mix it up. Once you have that just combined, throw in 2 cups or up to 2 cups of your favorite mix-ins. I'm just going to keep it simple and do dark chocolate chunks. All right, so you're gonna form your dough balls into, you can see the size of them. I made little ones. You're gonna form them into any size you want. I made mini ones because I'm doing a farmer's market, and these are gonna be some samples. But with a 1 tablespoon scoop, which these were, I made about, I think they're about 85, 88, something like that. But if you use a 2 pounds or 2 tablespoon scoop, it's probably going to be about 36, or you could do 12 giant cookies. And then I'm going to cover them in plastic, let them rest in the refrigerator for at least an hour. Or you could freeze them at this point. So I recommend just baking them until the edges look a little bit golden brown and the tops look dry. They'll finish baking on the pan and as they cool. Leave them on this pan for like a minute to let them set up and then transfer them to a wire rack. And there you have it, a beautiful, simple batch of homemade cookies. You can make it your own by adding whatever mix-ins you want. I used dark chocolate chips, but add nuts, dried fruit, toffee bits. Get creative. All right. Thanks for watching.